When rangers on the McKenzie River discovered that a tree had fallen in the river to create a dangerous obstruction for rafters and drift boat users, they immediately put up warning signs on the upstream boat launches and warned rafters and river guides of the danger. This was definitely not one of those small obstructions they could handle in-house or hand over to volunteers. This large fir tree, with the root wad precariously hanging over the remaining passable section of the river, would require the services of a contractor with serious expertise and very powerful equipment to make the river safe. The rangers knew just who to call: Mark Villers of Blue Ridge Timber Cutting.
We've built quite a reputation over the years of doing fish habitat, now 20 years worth, and along with that we've discovered some techniques, some of our same techniques to mitigate hazards like this one, and some things that look impossible to a lot of contractors. We'll go out and figure out a way to do it. We have some real specialized tools so we can make it safe for the public, safe for boats, and better for fish. And we've done a lot of projects like this where virtually no one else has ever even given them a quote because no one can figure out how to do it safely or cleanly with low impact to the environment.
One of the specialized tools is this custom-built winch truck, which was designed specifically for this type of operation. Features include high-capacity multiple drums and highway-ready dimensions for lower mobilization costs and rapid deployment. Based on proven yarder technology, but with gearing and fairlead geometry better suited for stream work, Blue Ridge tree pullers are only a small piece of a system designed specifically for moving big objects with minimum environmental impact. After working with stream authorities, engineers, and fish biologists to address navigation, safety, and environmental concerns, the Blue Ridge crew plans their pull to provide the needed purchase while being careful to avoid damaging the standing timber. Their plan includes the careful placement of blocks with specially designed extra-wide tree straps to avoid girdling, abrasion, and undue lateral stress on the tree trunks. Of course, moving stream obstructions requires plenty of work in the water. This is not simply a matter of setting a choker when it's a tree this large. Rigging this tree requires a multiple purchase block setup for increased mechanical advantage.
I need it.
These blocks must be placed to provide the correct angles without interfering with each other. After carefully placing the blocks to redirect and multiply the winch truck's pulling power, the crew threads sections of hay wire through the blocks.
Yeah, I think we're good to ship the eye to the tail hold, and then we'll check it out once we get the main line tight.
Comes the eye right there.
The hay wire threads the main line through the blocks and back to the tail hold. With the pole fully rigged, the crew makes sure everyone is clear and the line routing is tested before giving the truck operator the go-ahead. Slow and steady gets the job done here. The tree's progress is carefully monitored as it is pulled to the desired location. The tree's progress is carefully monitored as it is pulled to the desired location. Once positioned, on-site managers like our fish biologists here have an opportunity to inspect the results and advise on adjustments. When it's your job to keep lakes and rivers safe for the boating public, help is just an email or phone call away. Don't lay awake at night wondering if the hazard will claim the life of a boater. Call the experts of Blue Ridge Timber Cutting to move your big obstacles safely, precisely, and with little evidence that they were ever on site.